Welcome to Practice English in a Different Way. What if I told you that mastering if only can change how you express wishes in English? We use if only to express a strong wish that things could be different. It means the same as I wish, but is stronger. We use it to talk about past, present, and future unreal conditions. We use if only plus past verb forms to talk about a wish for the present. Example: if only he knew the truth. He doesn't know the truth, but he wishes he did. To talk about a wish for the future, or to show a contrast between how things are and how we would like them to be, we use if only plus would plus infinitive without to. Example: if only they would talk to each other. We use if only plus past perfect to talk about a wish to change something that has already happened. Example: if only he had listened to what his friends had been telling him. He didn't listen. Hit the like button if you found this useful.